It is not clear whether Alexander Bustamante personally ordered the eviction of Rastafarians from Coral Gardens. However, he was the Prime Minister of Jamaica at the time, and the eviction was carried out by the Jamaican police and military forces. The eviction was not limited to Coral Gardens. Rastafarians were detained throughout Jamaica in the days following the incident. The number of Rastafarians who were killed, tortured, or imprisoned is unknown, but estimates place the number of detained individuals as high as 150. There are a number of reasons why Rastafarians were persecuted in Jamaica. One reason is that their beliefs and practices were seen as a threat to the status quo. Rastafarians reject the traditional Jamaican values of Christianity and hard work, and instead embrace a more spiritual and communal lifestyle. They also have a strong sense of African identity, which was seen as a threat by the Jamaican government at the time. Another reason for the persecution of Rastafarians is that they were associated with the poor and working class. In the 1960s, Jamaica was a very unequal society, and the government was afraid of any social unrest. Rastafarians were seen as a potential source of trouble, and they were therefore targeted by the authorities. The persecution of Rastafarians in Jamaica was a violation of their human rights. In 2017, the Jamaican government apologized for the Coral Gardens incident and awarded compensation to the victims and their families. The Coral Gardens incident was a specific example of the persecution of Rastafarians in Jamaica in the 1960s. Rastafarians were targeted by the police and military, and many were detained, tortured, or killed.